Good morning! Hi! Ketemu lagi, it's me again with Kenji Mozaro. Today is October 19. I'm gonna show you guys what's happening today. So here you go, guys. Today is the first snow of the year, which is so excited. It means it's holidays here. I know at least Halloween is coming up. Just want to share with you guys. Snow is coming on my day off, and technically is official. It's winter is here. So let's see what we gonna see again. As you can see, we haven't done the yard. The neighbor's already clean, so our leaves is just like still there. We need to pick them up and clean the yard. So yeah, can't believe the winter is here already. The first snow of the year. So this is like nothing too exciting about because it's cold, no sun. This is after a minute later, all cover white already. Jadi udah 1 menit pertama. Jadi ini benar-benar salju yang tahun pertama. It's beautiful. But after like you live here like many years, you get sick of it. But you know, I just want to vlog this because for Indonesian, like never seen snow or something, so that's why I vlog this thing, because it's like a moment is very like important, like first snow of the year, so which is mid of October already. So here you go guys, I vlog for you the snow of the year, which is the first. Okay, just right from the backyard. Setelah 1 jam kemudian, and is voila, it's full. 1 hour later, is all covered white. Jadi guys, gue mau share yang kali ini. Memang salju ini kebetulan alhamdulillah banget nih, pas aku libur kan, jadi pas deras banget, dan forecast hari ini itu kemungkinan akan menjadi 5 inch. Jadi about 5 inch itu bentuknya memang kalau kita tuh salju itu kayak es gosok gitu loh. Jadi kan begini. Jadi buat kalian, for you guys in Indonesia, you really doesn't have any snow, so today is the first snow of the year. Jadi makasih for tuning up, thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Kenji Mozaro. So it is snow. Comes like big, so welcome October already. Good morning guys, today is the next day and the snow is crazy, and it's just like the first day of snow coming out. It's just like, it gave us like 10-inch. Look at that. It's all covered in snow, and the road was bad last night. But I guess the first day of snow is a lot. So yeah, just give you the update after the next day. So what do you guys think about the first snow of the year in Minnesota? Jadi, well, I took the vlog from the morning and then the progress until snow, the whole like really heavy until the night and the next day, and I'll picture the road. So let me know down on the below comments about what you think, your opinion, your weather in Minnesota during snow. But as you know, you guys, tapi memang weather di Minnesota is not only just winter. We have the best summer in the whole country, you guys. So thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support for my channel, Kenji Mozaro. And let me know what should I post more about Minnesota. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.